Miravalles. This is Waterfall coming up from the mountain. As you can see, it's just a beauty. Cannot take you down there because I cannot climb down. If I did, I couldn't climb back up. So I'm here, taking a picture. Here we have a little waterfall. I've never been here before. It is really extraordinary. Actually been here, but down below, never this high up. There's a little tiny road here, so it looks like it take me to the edge. But I don't know if I want to risk it to go down there because I really don't know it. I'm walking on a little bit more. There's a tree here I can get my hands on. Wow. Amazing. But I think this is the end of the road. I don't see how I can cross to the other side. Oh boy. Really pretty. I don't know if you can hear it roaring. What a beauty. My friends are coming down this way now, walking down. Okay. I'm gonna have to find out how to get across to that waterfall to the other side, because if I can get through the other side, I can go swimming there. I know there's another way, but there's a bridge. And you have to pay to cross that bridge. And too much money to cross the bridge. They charge you $58 for a day trip. And I can do the same thing in about the same time, but not that much money. Anyway, very, very beautiful. Very dense. I think we found a way around. It's pretty thin path, but looks pretty good. As long as I don't fall on my ass, I'll be okay. This doesn't get as beautiful as this anywhere. That's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Awesome. As they say, wish you were here. If you're a hiker, a real hiker, give me a call. I'll bring you here. This is just amazing. There are many places like this in Costa Rica, but none of them that you can get as close as this without having to pay a lot of money or without being in a national park inside of a national. This is a sort of a national park too. It's a reserve. Come visit us.